business. Let's figure out what's going on. This is why we mean business. We gotta fuel up. First things first on Datsun. It hasn't started in 9 years, we think. When there was an electrical drain, we did put a new alternator back then. So that was put in like only a few hundred kilometers ago, but there was an electrical issue somewhere there. So just got a new battery. It's 12.5 volts right now, and we'll give it a shot. One thing, and I don't know how long it's been missing, but there's no battery hold down. And I don't know where you'd attach one. I guess there's a spot to hook there. We'll bend something up. Clips in here. So what have you done so far to it this week?
Change the oil.
Okay.
I put fresh gas. I took out the old gas, put fresh gas in there.
You got a bit of a valve cover gasket leak on the back, but it's not that bad.
It's a 42-year-old.
That'll keep the rust off of it. It's rust preventative. Just a little bit of oil everywhere. Key does nothing. Try the lights. It's been a while, huh? Well, that's not good. I guess fuse block. Let's see what's going on with the fuses in the thing.
Here's the box.
Oh, good. We got the service manual. All right, so.
And there happens to be a fuse in the console here. Did we pop one out for some reason?
Well, I know when we were diagnosing this ages ago, we were pulling individual fuses to see which was causing the.
And this fuse is still good.
The parasitic loss. There's your dome lamp. It's so strange. We have a brand new battery in and nothing's working.
Well, your battery's still showing voltage, right?
Oh, I can't fit my head in here that well, but.
The back's showing voltage. The battery's still good.
Yeah, battery's still good. So, all these fuses look good. There's missing ones. What are the missing ones here? Missing ones are dome lamp and radio. Okay, well that's not causing our problem. All right, give her a shot. All right. So we just had a bad connection at the battery, but it still won't crank? That's weird. Do you hear the fuel pump?
There's a fuel light on. Maybe I can pump the fuel.
No, I know, but the starter should be making a noise.
Well, how do we change all our wires?
All right. So, battery direct to the starter motor. Inhibitor switch. Are you sure it's in park, or do we put it in neutral?
Oh yeah.
Because there is an inhibitor switch.
There's a what?
There's an inhibitor switch on the transmission that detects if it's in park or neutral, I bet.
I'll play around with a shifter maybe.
Yeah, maybe the switch has failed or something. In which case we could just bypass it. You just got to be careful to try and start the car if it's in gear.
How do I need a neutral?
Yeah, try neutral. Oh, I hear a fuel pump. Yeah, the fuel pump's on. I hear that. Okay, so it's something between the starter then. So there's a wire there. That looks like it's connected pretty good. It's not like all falling apart.
No.
I had a starting issue with the Subaru, the WRX. It was the ground strap corroded off of it. That's where that's connected there. It's a little. Yeah, that's still all right.
What was that little yellow wire steering with the clip? Is that on right? You were shaking it.
Oh, here?
Yeah, that right there. We're good.
Comes off pretty easy, but it's on.
Yeah, I think I'll probably put a new clip on it when I put the starter in.
Someone's done some... Okay, well, it seems all right. So I think the starter's all connected properly. Like, that doesn't look... Is that the fan? Something in here's... Oh, the clock's not accurate.
After 7 years sitting here, I don't think so.
I think it's... It wasn't 9? You said 2014?
Something just clicked.
That fuel pump is
Fuel pump's trying.
noisy.
Let's say it's trying because the system's empty. Fuel, right?
Yeah.
So it's still in it.
Voltage is good. I'm gonna... Yeah, there's something... It's like the starter doesn't have a fuse in or something. Alright, so we're getting like 4 ohms resistance
What
through
were you
this. It
getting
was
before?
broken. 4 ohms.
What are you getting now?
0, it's good.
Nothing.
Still nothing. Okay, well that was one issue dealt with. Not the only one. Okay. So we don't know which relay is the right one because the diagram doesn't seem to show it, but switch them all around. Still nothing on the starter. Alright, I think I switched those two. Give her another shot. Did that again?
Hey?
Turn the key again? I hear a relay clicking somewhere else. Turn it. Hear the fuel system working. Alright, hold on, let me switch these again in case I didn't. I took them both out to compare and I wasn't sure if I actually switched them. Alright, try again. None of these relays are clicking. There's another relay somewhere, I just don't know where it is. Where is the starter relay on this thing? I guess I'll follow the wiring harness and find it. So, no, the starter's good. It's the solenoid that's bad. All right, it says it's in the on position.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna short the positive to the.
Turn it.
Just yeah, leave it in the on. Leave the key in the on position.
It's not all the way though.
No, don't put it in the start position. Just the on position. I'm gonna start it with this, the old screwdriver method. Oh, come on. He wants to. Alright, she wants to. Okay, so if you turn it from the on to the start position.
It's on the on. I haven't hit start yet.
Okay, go to start. Okay, why does the fuel pump only run when it's in the start position, not the on position?
Fuel light's on. Coming on too.
Yeah, it's weird that it's not running the fuel pump in the on position. So if you hold the key in the start position.
Holy shit, we haven't started.
Yeah, okay, so she runs, it's not running the fuel pump. So the way that, oh man, that's not really easy to get at. The way that it's only running the fuel pump in the start position makes me wonder if the ignition is messed up, because
Don't know.
maybe it's not turning it far enough to actually turn the starter, and the start position is where it should be sitting. So that
Holy shit, that keep running.
ignition. You gotta like hold the key. It springs back too far and it cuts power to the fuel pump. If I hold the key to the right, just at the start position, you gotta really turn the key hard to get it to trigger the starter. So it's just the ignition that's been messed up all along. It's this cylinder here. If I let go, it probably cuts the fuel pump.
Okay.
If I let go of the key, I wonder if it cuts the fuel pump. Seems to be okay. Seems to be okay now. Seems to be okay now. Oh. No, fuel pump's still running. Turn the key really hard. Come on, girl. Oh. Come on. Come on. No. Sounds all right, actually. That sounds great, actually. That's not bad.
Well, I think that should be changed. There'll be a lot of crap in it.
Yeah. It's been sitting here for a while. I changed the fuel filter again after it runs for a little bit.
Yeah.